What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video. I actually didn't turn the camera on. I just woke up. So excuse me. I am a little tired having my morning coffee. It is Saturday morning here. And the stock market closed. And it was ugly. Not pretty at all. Not pretty, not pretty, not pretty. Right? Because I did check my phone prior to getting up and everything was down. Everything. So the Dow, the S&P 500, NASDAQ slid big time on big tech losses. But weekly gains still hold. So we're still up for the week, even though today was a big loss in the tech sector. So let's get into this. Let's see what the market did today. So it says US stocks closed the holiday week on a downbeat note as Wall Street slogged to the finish of a largely triumphant year. The S&P 500 lost 1.1%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite shed 1.5% Friday at the close. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gave up 0.8%. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield hovered near 7-month highs around 4.6%. Interesting. After stacking impressive gains this year, some of the biggest names in tech lost ground as investors took profits, rebalanced portfolios, or reassessed their lofty valuations. Tesla lost 5%, Nvidia gave up 2%, while Amazon decreased 1%. Like it just said, investors took profits. These companies have had major gains throughout the year, people. Major gains. So there's nothing wrong with the company. There's no bad reason why the stock market went down today. People just took profits. We're at the end of the year. I think Tuesday, we still have 2 more days left in the month of December before the month of December closes out. Will they continue to take profits up until the new year? Who knows? Into the new year? Who knows? You never know. That's why you have to be in the market and not try to time the market. If you have been investing all year long into good growth stocks, or if you had been investing into the S&P 500 all year long, your portfolio should be in the green. You should have made money. The S&P 500 is still up over 20% for the year. So if you had played it safe, not do any individual stock investments, taking a chance, and you invested only in the S&P 500, my SPLG S&P 500 ETF is still up over 25%, actually 25.22% year to date. So from the 1st of January up until now, 25%. So these losses, it happens in the stock market. It does readjustments. And some days there are losses. Like it says here, again, investors took profits. So Wall Street was just 3 trading days, or has just 3 remaining days remaining in a 2024 full of big gains. But markets have been unable to mount a Santa Claus rally into the end of the year. So today was one of the 3 days, and then you have the 2 days next week. Because I think Tuesday is the 31st of December, right? Yeah. So now we only have 2 full days left in the 2024 trading days. So despite the negative day, the S&P 500 logged a weekly gain of 1.8%. The Nasdaq also posted a win of 1.8%, while the Dow notched a 1.5% increase. Markets have largely digested the year's remaining key economic data points, and investors are now turning their attention to big themes for the coming year: the Federal Reserve's path of interest rates and the implications of Donald Trump's ascent back to the White House. So that's another thing. And that's what I started looking into these last couple of days. What were Donald Trump's plans? When he was president before, what is his plans possibly for now? Less spending, business. I need a business to invest in. I think my money now needs to be more diversified than just in the stock market. I need a business. Not one to create on my own, because I do have a little small business, but I need a business that's up and running, that's being ran right now by, a baby boomer who's, ready to turn over his good running business. I need to be an investor in that business. So if anyone knows of a baby boomer looking to sell his business and need investors to take over, hit me up. I'm serious. So on the former, stocks have largely taken in stride the Fed's plans to scale back rate cuts next year after an initial plunge last week. Bets have now shifted squarely to May as the next meeting at which the Fed will slash interest rates as it continues to grapple with stubborn inflation while keeping a close eye on a cooling labor market. And on the latter, Yahoo Finance writes that while Trump talked up his big plans during the campaign, especially on the economy, these plans could face a reality check from other key power players. That's the thing. When you have money, you have power, which may explain why most Americans are not educated on finances or money. Because if you have control over your money and you have it, you can be a key player in a lot of the decisions that are being made. And I would say the powers that be don't want that, which is understandable. But it still sucks. So you need to stop living above your means, people, and live below your means. Stop spending so much money. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. Stop trying to appear to be something you're really not. So Nvidia closed out today down 2.09%, closing out at $137.01. The good thing about Nvidia for me is my buy-in for Nvidia is $114. So I'm still in the green on Nvidia. Even though it has been taking losses, I still have made a lot of money in Nvidia. So yeah, Palantir, everything was down today. Not everything, but a lot of tech companies were down. Palantir was down 3.73%, closing out at $79.08. Who was in the green? No, everybody's in the red. Tesla took a big hit, down 4.95%, closing out at $431.66. Again, it was a loss, but look at Tesla stock has doubled its price since November 6th. So I am still in the green on Tesla. I am still in the green for Palantir. What else? SPLG, my S&P 500 ETF is down 1.03%. It closed out at $70. I believe when I first started buying this stock, It was at $45 or $50. And I have, yeah, I have a lot of the stock, right? And I just bought it this year. So yeah, I'm in the green on this one as well. FTEC, same thing, right? It took a loss of 1.52%, closing at $189.09. I remember buying this stock at 145, 150, and it's now at 189. Again, I'm in the green on this one as well. Broadcom closed out at $241.75, down 1.47%. I want to say when I started buying this stock, it was like 170 or 180. Now it's at 241. SMCI is down. It took a nice hit. 5.22%, closing out at $31.98. I don't remember. Like, I just recently bought this stock a few months ago. And I don't know if I'm in the green on this one or not. I have to check my portfolio. Apple. I'm in the green on Apple. Apple is down 1.32%, closing out at $255.59. Yeah. Apple's market cap is at $3.863 trillion. Apple is the most valuable company in the world. Nvidia has fallen to $3.355 trillion. That's why I'm thinking now, it's one thing to be in the stock market, but these companies, I need ownership in a company, in a growing company or a company that's doing well. It's possible. Anything is possible. I don't have to create anything. I can buy into something. That's what I want. That's what I'm putting out there. I want to buy. I'm owner of something. Even though when you own stock, you essentially own part of the company. But it's not like owning like Amazon, like Jeff Bezos. It's not the same thing. So I want to be a Jeff Bezos. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So that's all for today. I'm going to close this out, finish my coffee. Today looks like I don't know if the sun is going to come out or not today, but I'm probably going for a walk because I haven't been working out lately. I've been taking a break, trying to give my body a rest and my mind. So I've been trying something different. I've been watching what I eat, detoxing, intermittent fasting a lot. I drink a lot of fluids and I have been taking in less food for the last 2 months. So yeah, I don't even know why I shared that. That's why I need to log off. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Any and all information on my channel and in my videos are for entertainment purposes only and reflects my opinion. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your money. So have a great weekend. The new year is right around the corner. Hopefully you're not making plans for what you're changing for the new year. Make plans to change from now and forever. You don't have to wait until Christmas, New Year, or holiday or birthday. Make the plan now. Stick with it forever. All right, so you guys take care. Peace.